Good morning, everyone. All of you guys are busting my balls about not eating Thai food. Oh my gosh, I eat Thai food. I'll show you that I eat Thai food. But I have to say, to make a vlog about Thailand and doing stuff that you have never seen or is just unbelievable, who eats a hot dog in Thailand? This guy? Yes, I eat Thai food. Yes, I do eat Thai food. But do I eat a lot of Thai food? No, I don't eat a lot of Thai food. Yeah, and another thing is, if you're a guy in Thailand and you're making vlogs about being in Thailand and you're eating Thai food, who cares? But if you're eating a hot dog, that doesn't make any sense because they don't have hot dogs like they do in America. With a bun? No. That's very hard to find. That's why you see me eating a frickin' hot dog. And I love junk food. Boo. You going to the office? Huh? To the bank? And then come back? You coming back? You wearing your shirt? Looks like you're going to camp. Okay. Bye. If you live in Norway and you're watching my channel, please contact me. I have a question about Norway. Please, all of you in Norway, write me an email. Please. Thank you. Another big thank you I want to say to everyone. This is as Sunny would say, amazing. 2 months ago, basically 9 weeks ago, maybe 10 weeks ago, I was celebrating 10 subscribers. That's right, double digits, 10. And I wanted to say that as of just now, I woke up this morning. I woke up this morning. I'm this close to having 800 subscribers. And I owe Sunny a grand big thank you for that. But you guys are the one that subscribed. Sunny asked you to, but thank you for doing it. And I tell you what, big kid. If you know anybody that I could make smile, thank you. Appreciate it. Here we are. Sadi Cup. I gotta get my Coca-Cola on. Hold on. See the ice on the bottom? I love this little shop. The fridge is so cold that when I get Cokes here, they're always ice cold. Well, that sucks. You ever had one of those days? And today's ask, if you know someone that's not very happy, tell them about me. I want to make them smile. I want to make them smile. If I've got 800 people on this planet smiling, dude, that's more than I had when I was doing comedy in Florida. You know, you're sitting in there and you have like, I don't know, 50 people, and they all laugh for about, they all laugh for 30 minutes. That's fine. But if I can reach everybody around the world and make them laugh, even in Norway, what's going on in Norway? Sweden, Japan. Gotta work on Japan. You guys, tough group over there. Just saying. It's hard to make you guys laugh sometimes. Today's a good day. Almost 800 subscribers. Good mails back and forth with subscribers. Nice comments, except for my junk food addiction. Don't judge me. I like hot dogs and hamburgers. And spaghetti. I've been making spaghetti for a week over here. I didn't even show you guys that. In Thailand, all I make is spaghetti. One of the reasons you don't see me ordering a lot of Thai food, honestly, I haven't learned enough Thai to order the food. That's sad. I can't read a Thai menu, and a lot of times I don't even know how to order the Thai food, so I just kind of go to the 7 and pick what I want to eat.
Lame excuse, but that's kind of it.
What?
Iced lemon tea.
Mm-hmm. Yes. We have Lipton tea in Thailand. Of course we do.
Good news, good news. Next week, I have an interview for a job. This is really good news. If I can land some work around here, it will secure at least some time. It's just good news. Hopefully I'll make something out of it. Keep you posted. Wish me luck, guys. That's right, payphone booths. They still have payphones here. Not one person uses a payphone here, but nobody has spent the money to remove them. I don't even know if they work. That'd be a good question. On my little trip home, that's the 5th phone booth that I passed. Oh, there's another one coming up. Look who's here! What the double phone booth. This still amazes me. It's just rope. Another thing I find interesting here in Thailand, you drive on the left side of the road, but you walk on the right. You still walk on the right, just drive on the left. And then of course, if you go to airports or BTS terminals, SkyTrain terminals, everybody walks like they have no freaking clue, just like everywhere else in the world. To the ordinary eye, this looks like a car. I know, right? It looks like a car. But if you look carefully, you'll notice it's actually a doghouse. Cool doghouse. I should have not chosen to walk home today because I was freaking hot. Man, but I'm almost there. I was telling Steve this yesterday. I've noticed in Thailand since I've been here, you have I guess the classes, if you will. And this is just what I've seen in my opinion. This is not fact. I'm not giving you stats and facts, but what I've noticed is you have people that are extremely poor. I mean, living in a hut, poor. It's just their lifestyle, hand wash everything. I mean, it's just very, very low income. And then you have what I would say is like a lower middle class. Lower middle class and like a middle class, which is 2 incomes, you know, doing all right. You got a house, both are working, they have the stuff that they need, you know, middle class, nice. I have not seen like an upper middle class. And then you have like uber rich. I mean, rich, tons of money, driving Bentleys, Mercedes. I haven't seen a lot of Bentleys, I've seen one, but Mercedes, high-end BMWs, high-end Mercedes. So poor, lower class, middle class, and then just freaking uber rich. Like whoever owns this place. And it's November, the month of Thanksgiving and giving thanks. And I do want to give thanks to my Patreons. Thank you guys, it's November. Jan, Phil, Fred, Steve, Tim, Josh, Vicky, and Professor. Thank you guys. See you next month. Oh, no. Thank you guys. Whatever.
You don't know. You don't know. You don't know.
Can you take this asshole back to America, please?